So this is a quick take on 2024 Porsche Cayenne refresh. I want to cover some of the exterior design changes because Porsche have changed its design philosophy regarding the Cayenne. In the front, now the headlight consists of 4 different modules. It's unclear which modules are high beam and which ones are low beams. Moving down, there's also LED fog light well integrated into the front bumper. This particular model on display is an e-hybrid coupe, which happens to be the cheapest model available right now, with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, coupled together with an electric motor for a combined system output of 398 horsepower. This is really the best way to configure Cayenne right now. Not only for the difference in MSRP, you also receive the benefits of being able to drive a Cayenne on pure electricity and also reduce emission and gasoline consumptions. The taillight module might look really familiar at first, but upon closer inspection you will find that it's vastly different than the one on the outgoing models. There are a lot of these finer details etched into the plastic housing that you don't find on the 2023 model. I also managed to get a shot of the wheel design, but keep in mind Porsches are highly customizable, so this particular wheel is probably going to be a pretty expensive option. I also noticed this quad exhaust, which seems pretty excessive on the hybrid model with only 4 cylinders, but I guess someone will enjoy this configuration. If you're new to my channel, I cover a lot of content. As of right now, it's mostly cars, but I would like to branch out and talk more about consumer electronics, infrastructure, and transportation in general. I also have a lot of footage covering 2023 Shanghai Auto Show coming up, so if you're interested in some of these vehicles, be sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you later.